The first Somali-American lawmaker in the United States says she was the victim of hate speech the same day she visited the White House.
Ilhaan Omar is a state representative-elect from Minneapolis. She says while riding in the back of a cab yesterday in Washington, D.C., the driver called her ISIS and then threatened to rip off her hijab. She described the experience in a Facebook post this afternoon. Here's Jeff Wagner.
Hurtful words can be found all over social media, but State Rep-elect Ilhaan Omar says she heard them in person. In a Facebook post detailing her trip to a conference in Washington, D.C., Omar says, quote, "I got in a cab and became subjected to the most hateful, derogatory, Islamophobic, sexist taunts and threats I have ever experienced. The cab driver called me ISIS and threatened to remove my hijab." She goes on to say she was shaken as she rushed out of the cab.
Representative Ilhaan did the right thing, just to disengage and leave right there and share her story with everyone.
Abdi Rizak Bihi is a social activist for the Somali American community in the Twin Cities. He says Omar's story disgusted him, a feeling shared by several others who commented on Omar's post, but he adds that it did not come as a surprise.
Those bad people, the only weapon they have to hurt us all is to create that sense of fear.
He says stopping it starts by engaging in conversations and, if possible, having them directly with the people dispensing hate speech. According to Omar's post, which has been shared hundreds of times, her first reaction was to pray for the driver and others who shared his views.
So I think we should not indirectly help the bad people. We should talk to each other and lose that insecurity.
We reached out to Omar's representatives today, hoping to talk with her about what happened, but we were not able to reach her. And people on the Facebook post were asking her often, did she take down the license plate number? Did she take down the cab number to try and file a complaint? She says she did, but she says she's not going to do it until she gets back here to Minnesota because she's worried about her safety. She feels the cab driver still knows where she's staying at that hotel.
All right, we'll be sure to follow it. Jeff, thank you.